So some of y'all are definitely gonna be like, well, what does it smell like? What does it smell like? Well, if I had to give you a designer comparison, if I had to give you a designer comparison, I'm gonna give you two. I'm gonna give you Xerjoff. They have a scent called, I believe it's Moda. That, or Perfumes de Marly has a scent called Herod, Herod. Either one of those two, the DNA is kind of similar to them. I'm not saying that it's a dupe of either of those, but the DNA in this bottle is similar to that. But when you put this on, like I said, immediately that blood orange is going to hit you. It's going to hit you. But once it dries down, that's when the magic starts. Once it dries down. So again, Savoir Faire, y'all, man, look. I'm about to order, like I said, 2 bottles right now because I need this, because I know how I'm going to get with it. I can't be running out. So again, now you know one of Unk's favorite scents. I'll talk to you on the next one.